Hey everyone, Matt with Western Mold here, and today I want to talk to you about our single station pallets for the Schunk Vero-S platform, what they are, why they're better than anything that's currently out there, and most importantly, how they'll help you integrate and automate more easily down the road. Let's get started. For anyone who's unfamiliar with Schunk Vero-S, this is one of the premier zero-point clamping systems available on the market today. They offer everything from your most basic module that just does single pin pull down, all the way up to and including air pass-through, air sensing, air purge, and many more exciting features. If you're considering zero point and you have the budget for it, I would highly encourage you to spend a few extra bucks and go for Schunk. They're not astronomically expensive, although they are priced slightly higher than your fifth axis type products. But the quality and the depth of product offering and the ease of automation is better than anything on the market today. One of the biggest problems with zero-point products is that the support in terms of top tooling, accessories, and consumables in the market is severely lacking. As opposed to something like a Kurt Weiss, where you can buy soft jaws, aluminum, steel, various heights, widths, thicknesses on Grainger, MSC, McMaster, or make them easily yourself. If you elect to go with zero point, you're typically left with a very narrow product offering in terms of what you can buy, and most shops are stuck making their own top tooling and accessories on their own. We've attempted to solve this problem for you with our single station pallets. The first problem we've solved with our pallets is the Imperial versus metric dichotomy. Now, of course, Schunk, being a German company, offers metric pallets. And while this may not be an insurmountable issue for you, if your shop is anything like ours, you'd much rather be able to buy pallets that come in 6x6, 8x8, 10x10, and so on, with 1 inch, 1.5 inch thicknesses. So this is how we've sized our pallets. They start at 6x6, they go all the way up to 12x12 square, and then we also offer a 12x6 square, and every pallet is available in a 1 inch thickness and a 1.5 inch thickness. Another benefit to this two thickness approach that we've taken is it takes away all the guesswork if your plan is to machine into the pallet. With Schunk, you're kind of left guessing as to how much meat there is before you run into holes, pockets, or mounting hardware. But with our pallets, we've kept it simple. If you buy a 1 inch thick pallet, you have a 1/4 inch of material that you're guaranteed to have access to before you run into any voids or hardware. And if you buy a 1.5 inch pallet, you're given 3/4 of an inch of meat. And this is extremely important, especially if you're planning to mill into your pallets, use them as a consumable top tool, mount various fixturing, bolts, clamps, and fixture parts directly to the top of your pallets. The next problem that we've solved is the issue of materials. Currently, pallets are available in steel and aluminum, but not every size is available in every material and vice versa. And additionally, the alloys they give you are a little bit ambiguous. We've solved that problem by offering every single pallet size and thickness in aluminum and steel. The aluminum that we use is K100S tooling plate, which is a high quality mold and die aluminum that's extremely weldable, extremely machinable, and has a higher tensile strength than aircraft grade 7075. All of our steel pallets are made from Excel Holder steel, which is a specialized tool steel developed by Elwood Specialty Metals. It's similar to a 4140 or an H13, but because it's a mold and die steel, it's more weldable, more machinable, and has also a higher tensile strength than normal carbon steel that you'd buy off the shelf. And again, every pallet size we offer is available both in aluminum and in steel. The next problem we've solved with our pallets are the issues of availability and price point. Current commercial off-the-shelf pallets are typically 4 to 5 week lead time, partly due to the fact that Schunk isn't able to stock every product in the United States. And because these are metric pallets, they may not be as desirable in the US as we discussed before. So you're looking at a 4 to 5 week lead time on a pallet order from Schunk unless you're willing to pay expedited shipping. But all of our pallets are available to ship within 2 weeks. The issue of price is also significant. The smallest pallet available from Schunk, which is 159 millimeters square, which comes out to about 6.25 inches, is right around $700. Now, this is extremely pricey, especially if you're looking to fill a pallet pool with 20, 30, 40 pallets. By contrast, our smallest pallet, which is the aluminum 6x6x1 square pallet, starts right around $400, and this includes all the mounting hardware Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you're a current Schunk user and are interested in these pallets and other upcoming solutions, head to our website in the description below and take a look at all of our single station pallets currently available, and watch for our robot couplings that'll be releasing sometime in the next couple of weeks. If you like what we're doing on this channel, or if you're interested in work holding integration, please like and subscribe to view upcoming videos. Thanks guys.